Alright, what up y'all? So in this video I'm just showing y'all how to wash your brushes. Normally what I recommend is washing your brushes every time you do a wash, just because after you unrag you don't want to be putting dirty brushes on your clean hair. That's just helping your hair get dirty faster. So I showed y'all in my wash video how I use my brushes and kind of drop the different textures just so they all kind of get a little bit of lather in them, and I kind of brush off some of the oils and product that's on the tip of the bristles. That's kind of how I do that, because I'm already washing my hair. That stuff is already in my hair, and the shampoo is getting it out, so might as well get it off the brush also, and also get a brush session in if I can. Right? So now after that, I'm going to show y'all what I do to wash those brushes. Alright, so what I do first is I gather some water, not too much, and I make it lukewarm. Actually, maybe a little bit on the cooler side rather than on the warmer side. Then I'm using the same clarifying shampoo. And you know, just get a little in there, right? Nothing crazy. There you go, maybe a little more, a little bit more. Alright, we good. So once we got that, I put the brushes in there face down like that. Maybe I'll switch this like that. Oh. There we go. A little bit more water. And you see I'm using my hand to funnel it away from the main part of the brush, because water kind of damages them a little bit. So boom. And I leave it like that for a few minutes, and then I'll come back to it. Alright, so it's been a couple minutes. So now you see the soap's all built up in there, and I use the bigger tooth and I just kind of go like that to get everything out. As you can see, it's not much resistance because, you know, generally I keep them clean. And I'm only showing y'all this way just so y'all can see. Normally when I do it, I turn my brush down like that, and then I go like this. You know what I mean? Like this is how I normally do it, just so water doesn't like build up in the brush holding it that way. But if y'all could see, I don't know if y'all could tell, you see you can see all that all the way down to the back of the brush, and that's because it's clean, man. Ain't got nothing in there. You can see there's certain angles. I'll show y'all in a second. Anyway, same thing as my softy. Normally I take this one out first because the bristles is like real delicate on this one, you know. But anyway, like I said, I'm gonna do it the right way. Now that y'all know how to do it, I'll do it this way. Alright, see, nothing too crazy. I can see a little bit of dirt in the water on the comb though. So this one is a little bit more dirty than the other one. Now same deal with this one right here. As you can see, the water looks a little dirty right there. That's from, you know, all the dirt on the brush lifting up. So that's all good stuff. Alright. Now, combs, usually just by cleaning the brushes, you know, the combs kind of get clean, so I don't really trip off that too much. But if you really want to get in there, I just do the same thing. Use the brush to clean the comb, use the comb to clean the brush. like that. All right. So as you can see, that's dirty. I'm gonna go ahead and do one more thing. Keep a bag of Q-tips with my brushes, just so when I'm cleaning them and they like this, even though they look clean, I still go through and just, you know, wipe the bristles like that. Just going through the teeth. See? Still getting a few little things like that, a little bit of dirt. Going through. Going through. Yep. See, nothing much, but it's still something. Yeah. See, you just got that from the outer edge. And then, yeah, really that's it. Then I go diagonal across just to make sure that I'm getting everything possible. And what happened is you get a couple loose strands that kind of been like stuck to the bottom by doing that. Yeah, this looks pretty good to me because it wasn't badly soiled anyway, so. Alright. That's that one. The softy, I don't really do much because it's too close together for me to pass through. But sometimes I'll just kind of test the water to see what's up. Like, see, there's a lot of hair in this one now. I'm not gonna sit here and do this right now. I'll leave that for next time. Same deal. I go around the edges like that, and then I just go through the bristles. So all the way around. All the way around. There you go. Boom. See, you got just a little bit of hair in this one. This one, for the most part, is probably like one of the cleanest, so I don't really have to go diagonal like that. Alright, so empty the water out. And I'm using mainly cold water. Like I said, it's like just cooler than room temperature. You know what I mean? Now I'm turning it sideways like that. So y'all can see. I'm really trying to keep the water from like soaking into the wooden part of the brush. This is kind of sloppy, but I'm just doing it so y'all can see. Of course, when you're doing it, you're gonna be a little bit more careful. Same deal. Right here like that. You can see through those bristles. That goes to show you that it's clean. This one, not so much. You're not gonna be able to see through the bristles regardless on this one right here. Alright, so then I just put all of them like that. Same deal with the combs. And that's it. I just leave them to dry like that. And then once they dry, we ready to go again. Alright y'all, so y'all see how it works. Y'all see how I wash my brushes. I hope this helps. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell also, man. I keep forgetting to tell y'all that. We on the way up, man. But until next time, it's your boy Tech. Peace.